4 million people die from chronic respiratory disease every year, but COVID-19 alone has affected more than 3 million people around the world. We have heard, studied and perhaps seen people going through these diseases, causing rapid shifts in our lifestyles today. People are getting infected with viruses merely through daily activities and old age practices. Thus, using genuine and protective face masks is the most essential and a long-term measure of protection, as it covers your mouth and nose and prevents infectious droplets to enter your body. Introducing Priority Protect Mask. Engineered with a 6-layer filtration system, making it anti-pollution, anti-dust, antibacterial, and antivirus. Our masks are designed for the masses and are meant for commercial use. They come with a 95 to 99% filtration protection that is similar to N95 masks and are safer than surgical masks used for medical purposes. They come with only 80 to 90% of filter protection. We are certified by the international quality standards because we understand that protection is uncompromised. The mask, when used in the correct way, ensures the highest level of protection. So, what is the correct way? Wash hands properly, strings behind the ears, wash and reuse. Our masks are sustainable and ecological. How? When infected non-reusable masks are disposed in the general waste bins on a regular basis, thus contaminating the environment, whereas our mask can be washed and reused for long-term protection. Protecting the environment is our duty. Protecting you is our priority. Priority Protect Mask.